How's it going, Sweet Pea? How you doing? Just got done doing the SUPERDOG program with all of the puppies, and they are doing great, growing a lot. They are 1 week old now, doing really good. Belle's being a great mom, of course. We are just loving the puppies. What a good girl. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Good girl, Belle. Puppies are getting big. Puppies are getting so big. Eyes aren't open quite yet. Oh goodness. But they will open when they're 2 weeks old, which will be next week. When their eyes open, their ears open at the same time. So it's really cool to see them go from just being so helpless to learning how to get around, seeing things, hearing things for the first time. And that's such a cute stage because they just love to play with each other and get to know each other and play and just explore their new world. Of course, a mommy cleans up after them. That's what she does. And she's a good mommy. There goes your little butt. Get in there, little girl. Uh-oh. Oh, there goes mommy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Puppy pile. Just show a few of their little faces here. I know, little ones. Little babies. They are precious in his sight. Oh, teeny little girl. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. They are beautiful, Belle. You did a nice job. You did a nice job. Yes, you are. Such a good mommy. You're so good. You're so sweet. Such a beautiful litter.